So Randall helps them be able to start making cash flow. And it's kind of cool because then now they're actually investors. They're actually doing what they always wanted to do. So that's ABC, Agents Building Cash Flow. And he interviews those two people that I already said, but then he does a special thing that I'm about to share with you. So he interviews his avatar and he interviews people that have his avatar as their audience. And he's beginning an interview with somebody. So he's got the guest on the show. Now, I mentioned this to you before. Randall has two jobs when he's doing his podcast, because he works with Grow Your Show. He has two jobs. One is to come up with the content or come up with the guest that he's going to have. That's the first thing. Second one is literally just to push record. So he decides what he's going to speak about, or he invites his guest. And then secondarily, he just records it. So he pushes record and we handle everything else for him. And on his side, he's smart by figuring out who he's going to have on his show. And here's my favorite part. Are you ready? He basically tells the person who's on, he basically gives them his whole plan. He lets them know if they are somebody who has the same audience as him, like their audience is basically Randall's avatar, the person that Randall wants to be in front of. He'll be completely straightforward and honest. And I love that, because here's the thing. For me, I beat around the bush. I don't press it. I don't push it. I don't say it. I just interview people, add value to them. And if they work with me, they work with me. But I'm learning something from my client today. And what is that thing that I'm learning from a client? And that is that he literally tells the person what he wants out of it. He will say, hey, I'm going to add as much value to you. I want people to come to you. And in an ideal world, I would like us both to grow together. In an ideal world, I would like to put out an ad in front of your people. In an ideal world, I would like to be on your podcast. So he will say whatever it is that he's thinking, that he's basically like, I'm going to give you the value. And I'm also thinking that it would be really impactful for you and me if we work together.